Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nick Gary Snapper, and I'm one of the two members of C# Druids. Well, we created an app called the File Tracker. As you can see, File Tracker quite right. So, consider the fact that many of the times we've actually faced or seen how the fire department is appreciated after they come to a scene of a fire. They receive stones and resentment because they're actually there late and the fire swept through everything. So we thought of a way of actually trying to prevent that by creating an app that will provide them with information, not only in statistical points of view, but also using graphical means in forms of a map viewer. Can I have the next slide, please? Okay. So the solution was to create a software that's going to create a platform for the fire department and the clients themselves to interact. Using USSD and mobile apps, what we did is we need to let the fire department actually have a database or a list of clients that they have. Once they store the list of clients, which is going to have information pertaining to that particular client, the plot number, the street name, and everything descriptive. This will help the fire department actually locate these places faster. Can I have the next slide, please? Okay, so what we implemented is actually Microsoft technologies. We used a map viewer called RadMap, and to the far right, you can see the user registration template. What this asks for is actually the contact number, the street address, the name, and obviously the house itself. So what it does is, if an individual's place is set ablaze, so to say there's a fire, what you do is just use the USSD, type in a specific code that's given during registration, and that code is going to retrieve all your details and reflect on the map. We would have had an enhanced view, but the network wasn't in our favor today. So what this does is creates a marker on the map, and you actually see the street name and the location of the house. So that way it's actually easier to locate the house. Like you can see in the next slide. Exactly. So what it does is it reduces the chances of actually missing the place. So if they actually arrive late, then they deserve the stones and the resentment. The resources we've been using, like I stated, Microsoft technology. We've used Microsoft Visual Studio, Microsoft SQL Server. We've used SQL. We've used XAML and ASP.NET. Next slide. Okay, that's about it. And we thank you. We've also used the USSD, though would like to enhance it more by creating a mobile app that's cross-platform. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Over to our judges.
No questions. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Let's give it up for them one more time. Yeah.